Basic Computer Etiquette. Keep your hands clean. Wash hands before using the computer. Keeps the keyboard and mouse clean. Use gentle touch. Press keys and click the mouse softly. Prevents damage to the computer. Sit properly. Sit straight with both feet on the ground. Helps avoid back pain and keeps you comfortable. Don't eat or drink near the computer. Keep food and drinks away from the computer. Prevents spills and damage. Ask before using. Always take permission before using someone's computer. Shows respect for others' devices. Save your work. Click Save often while working. Prevents losing important work. Shut down properly. Turn off the computer using the correct steps. Protects the computer from damage. Be kind online. Use polite words when chatting or messaging. Helps create a friendly and safe online space. Don't share personal information. Never share passwords, address, or phone number online. Keeps you safe from strangers. Take breaks. Look away from the screen every 20 minutes. Helps reduce eye strain and tiredness.